Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a cake topper using Cricut Design Space just in time for Easter. So we're going to start off today with our text, Happy Easter. I've already formatted my spacing on Happy how I like it, and I've made the E and the R larger on the word Easter. If you're not sure how to do this, you can check out one of my other videos on attaching letters, as well as using the group and ungroup function. I'm going to turn this into a cake topper. So let's just put Happy on top and just position Easter nicely below. Today we're going to be using the offset button, so you do want your text fairly close to each other. Once you're happy with your arrangement, just highlight your writing, and then up at the top, click Offset. If you haven't used this button before, this is going to make a perfect outline around your writing or your pictures. As you can see here, there are still quite a few holes between all the letters. So what you're going to do is just move your distance slider, and Design Space is going to give you a preview of what your cut's going to look like. Once you're happy with the thickness of your outline, press Apply. And there you have it. Adding an outline is as simple as that. I'm just going to change the color here so that it's easier to see on your screen. In the spirit of Easter, let's add one more thing to our cake topper. I'm just going to pull in a picture of bunny ears from the Cricut library, but you could easily upload your own SVG if you have a specific picture for your project. If you're not sure how to make your own SVG, you can check out one of my other tutorials, which I show you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. I don't want the left ear covering up my outline on my H, so just go up to the top and click Flip. I'll just reposition this here how I like it. And now if I went to cut this right now, my machine would cut out the ears and the outline separately. So what we need to do is highlight both layers, and then down at the bottom, just click Weld. So now this is going to leave us with just two layers, our Hello Easter and our outline. If I wanted to use vinyl for my project, then this would be ready to go and I could just press Make It. Today, however, I'm going to be using some glitter cardstock and I want the writing to be cut out of the middle. This is super simple. We just select both layers and then down at the bottom, click Slice. What this did was cut Happy Easter out of our outline design. So we'll just move it to the side and we can delete all the other layers that we don't need anymore. And there you have it. We are left with one layer that is ready for us to cut. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.